In this video I will show you how you can view the chat history of the conversations you had with anyone in your WhatsApp. So let's get started. Once we open our WhatsApp, we need to click this three-dotted More option in the top right. And again, we need to click the Settings tab from the list of options. In this screen, we need to click Chats tab. And here, we need to scroll down to the bottom and click Open Chat History tab. And again here, we need to click Export Chat tab. In this screen, we can select the chat tab of any person from our WhatsApp. We can export or send the chat history with media items, or without media like images and videos. And again, we can send the chat history to our WhatsApp, with Skype, or through Gmail, or any other option you can see here on the screen. Here I am selecting the Skype option to send the chat history. And you can see the chat history in text format being exported to Skype. We can open the text file in any browser to view and read those chat conversation history. I hope this video will be helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.